In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename the primary column on a board. This simple process can make organizing and managing your board a lot more personalized and efficient. Whether you're streamlining workflows or just trying to make your board match your team's language, you'll find it easy and effective to use these steps on monday.com. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to monday.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. You'll find the login option located at the top right corner of the page. If you're already logged into the browser, this step might not be necessary, but if not, go ahead and click on it. From here you have a couple of options. You can either click on sign in with Google if you prefer to use your Google account, or you can enter the email address that you're going to be working with. For those opting for the Google sign-in, simply choose the account from the list if you have multiple, ensuring you're accessing the right workspace for your needs. Once logged in, navigate to the specific board you wish to customize. This is an essential repository where your team's data and projects are stored. Look for the board you're working within amongst your saved projects and open it up. Now that you're on your board, cast your eyes to the top right corner again, where you'll notice a three-dotted line, often known as the More Options menu. Click on this icon and a drop-down will appear. Next, from this drop-down menu, you'll want to select Settings. This will open another menu which allows you to alter various board configurations. In here, locate an option labeled Change Item Terminology. Clicking on this will trigger a pop-up screen where most of the magic happens. Inside this pop-up, you'll see the current terminology being used on your board. In our case, we're interested in sifting through available options to rename the primary column from item to something that feels more suitable for your needs. You might see a few pre-made options here with common alternatives depending on how the board was initially set up or any previous changes. Should none of these options fit the bill, don't worry, there's a custom option. This allows you to manually type in whatever label or terminology you'd like to replace item with. In the text box provided, enter the term that aligns most accurately with your project's needs. Once you've settled on the right term, finalize your changes by clicking Change. With just these few steps, you've successfully customized your board to reflect your team's unique workflow, making sure everything is consistent and just the way you want it. As you navigate through the rest of your board, you'll see how this seemingly small change can significantly enhance clarity and user experience. Happy organizing!